I really need to chill. I need to stop it now. Yeah, I know I'm supposed to be about my money. Cause that baby gotta eat.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be reviewing this hair that I have been wearing for a month. I got this hair on Labor Day weekend. I installed it. I've had this hair in my head the whole time. It's a wig. I take it off probably about every 2 weeks to re-glue it back down, but other than that, I've been wearing it, I've been sleeping in it, I've been working out in it, and this hair is lit. I got this hair from Asteria on AliExpress, and I'm telling y'all, that's my go-to company. I love Asteria. Their hair is so bomb. So yeah, I got this, and I think it is 316 and a 14-inch 13x6 frontal. Oh my god, this frontal is so freaking lit, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It wasn't bad. I plucked it a little bit, but I could have did a little bit better of a job, but it's cool. I love this hair. It's still to this day is so silky. I washed it probably about twice. Not really washed with like shampoo. I actually like what did I do? I didn't wash it, I conditioned it. That's what I did. And this hair is amazing. It's so soft and silky, like no tangles, barely shedding. Like I probably get a couple snags here and there, but this hair is amazing. I've had it in for a month, and I don't plan on like getting rid of it for a while. So today I'm actually going to style it for you guys. I'm gonna do some type of style. I was thinking about curling it just because I never really curl my hair, so I'm gonna curl it for you, and we're gonna see how it goes. So if you would like to see this me style his hair, please continue to watch this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Lola gang, and let's get into it. side. I did this side off camera. So what I'm going to do now is I actually take my comb and I just, ooh, no, I need a brush because Lord Jesus. Damn brush. So I can't find a brush, so we're gonna use the comb. So I'm just gonna take my comb and just go through the hair and just comb it backwards so I can get that feathered look. And then I just bring it up like this. And you see that? Ah! And then we do the same for this side. We're just gonna comb it back so we can get that feathered look. And then we're gonna bring it up. Yeah, this is what I do to my hair to get that look. And if I want my front to be curled more, I will just like bump it some more, but I guess this is okay for now. But to lay down my hair, like the flyaways, I'm gonna show you what I do. I actually just take this wax stick and I just lay down flyaways, the hairs that's all over the place, so that way they stay down. And then I take my flat iron and just go over it, the wax, it just melts the wax on that way, so that way it just looks nice and sleek. And we're just gonna fix this side. And this is it, you guys. This is all I do to my hair. Like when I'm curling my hair and drop curls, this is all I do. I use my flat iron and I just curl it just like that. And this is how it looks. So that is it. That's my tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and thank you guys for subscribing and sticking with me when I went MIA. I appreciate you guys. So as always, stay you, because there's no one like you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.